Well, I'm in a 2017 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you how to refill your power steering fluid. So first you want to open up the hood, and then we'll go to the passenger side here, and you should see a reservoir right here. You'll want to check your owner's manual or a good source online to make sure you get the proper power steering fluid to add. But you'll just open this by twisting and lifting under a little bit of air pressure, and then in here with your proper fluid with the funnel or just straight from the jug, you can pour right in there till you get to the full line, which you can see from the back side here. I don't know if I can quite get it on the camera, but there's right down there, there's a max line and a minimum line right below it. This is already pretty much right where it needs to be, but when you're done, just screw this back on with slightly pressure down and turning clockwise until it's nice and tight. But that's it. I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.